once again to howtocookgreatfoods.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see, we're doing a dry fry potato with peas, Indian style. It's really, really delicious. I love this one because it's dry. I like it with like some Indian bread, like paratha, naan, roti or something like that. Pick it up. It's just really delicious. Quite a lot of chili in this one, but you can adjust that. Let's go and have a look at what we need. Okay, let's take a look at this one. Like I say, really easy. So potatoes, peeled, they're raw, cut nice and small. Peas, I'm using some frozen peas here. I've just given them a little wash. Onions, cumin seeds, equal parts, like a teaspoon of turmeric and a teaspoon of chili powder. Big heap teaspoon of garlic ginger paste, and there some whole chilies. I've just cut the ends off them, kept them whole. There's quite a lot there for this dish. This is super easy. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, so here we are at the cooker. I've got my pan here and I've got some oil in there. Now you could be using any oil you want, maybe a coconut oil is quite good. I'm using a sunflower today. We're heating it up and we're going to get in those cumin seeds. And what we need to do is just get them in that oil for a few seconds. They'll infuse the oil really nicely. Now I'm just using cumin seeds, but you could be using some green cardamom, cinnamon, bay leaf, black cardamom, fennel seeds. The choice is yours of the whole garam masala. I like just cumin seeds for this one. Okay, that's great. We're now just going to get our potatoes. We're going to drop them in. We're going to stir fry them around on a fairly high heat for about 4 minutes. So a little colour on there, but they're still pretty hard, these guys. Now we're going to add our onions, chopped quite small. We're going to put in our fresh chilli. I'm going to add a little bit of salt to taste. And we're going to add our garlic ginger paste, which is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. We're going to mix this in. We're going to keep it on this kind of fairly vigorous heat, again about another 4 minutes. Wonderful. Okay, now for our peas, our frozen peas. Also going to add those powders now, which are 2 powders we're using. Turmeric and chili powder, equal parts of. Again, another 4 minutes, we should be done. Keep stirring. Okay, off goes the heat. Got some lovely colour on those potatoes now. Wonderful. Super happy. Now, I'm going to add just a little bit here of garam masala powder. Just a little pinch. If you wanted some chopped cilantro or coriander or fresh mint in the mix, works quite well. Or even a nice squeeze of lime just at the end here can also be nice if you're into that sort of thing. But that's it, wonderful. Like I say, I love this with some bread like chapati, paratha or a naan. Super easy. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.